Hello, I'm Michael
And I'm Jill.
for Michael and Jill's Travel Adventures. Click below to subscribe to our channel. Hello, today we're talking about the action cameras that are very similar to the GoPro. This is the case that we have all of our accessories in. Um, I have different things in there like um, handlebar mounts, and we just keep a variety of different things in there. That is the monopole for dry recording. Um, the type camera that we're talking about is this little guy right here. Very small, compact. Um, when you buy it, it comes with the waterproof housing. You just pop it into if you want to do any kind of wet or um, dusty recording to keep the camera uh, nice and secure. That's the housing right there for it. Um, so you've got all kinds of different accessories that you can buy. You can buy the camera by itself, or you can buy it with accessories. This is the headband that we use. You'll see that in the Dunn's River Falls, and when we get in the hot tub on one of the videos. Also, a chest mount. Um, what we use all the time for underwater is this little rig. The little yellow piece is uh, it is um, waterproof. It also floats, and that way, if your wrist strap breaks or something, it'll float to the surface, and you can find the camera very easy. But just wanted to kind of give you an overview of the type camera. These are selling right now on Amazon for between $50 to $90 with the accessories. This is the kind of video that you can get out of that camera. Um, this is through the waterproof housing, so you have a level of degree of plastic there that you're going through. This is also with our 2016 camera that we bought. So now with it being 2025, hey, there's lots of technology and lots of upgrades in the cameras. But this is just kind of showing you what you can do with that type camera and what we do with ours through all of our different um, traveling adventures. I told Jill, I said, well, you've got to get a video of you going down through one of the slides. So she was not really happy with me about doing this one. But after she got down, she had a lot of fun doing it. So you can also do, um, regular non-wet um, videos with this camera as well. You can see out of the housing, it does capture a lot of the different colors, as you can see here with the blue color of the ocean coming through there. These are just some various videos. This was our parasailing that we did uh, in Florida. I had a look of terror on my face there as I was doing that. I wasn't strapped in really good, and I felt like I was falling backwards. So now we're getting into our underwater pictures. Um, I think this one was first done in when we first used this back in it says 2015, but it was actually 2016, I believe, back in Mr. Sancho's. You can see Jill there and one of the fish that we're uh, looking at there. So uh, just a variety of different things that we use the camera for, but we like it for mostly underwater stuff that we've been using it for lately. Fish just sitting there. This is one of the excursions that we did in Cozumel, which was swim with the rays and sharks. Um, there's some nurse sharks in there and some rays that we were swimming with. Again, just holding the camera on the yellow handle as we're snorkeling around, just shooting videos. These are some of the still pictures that we took. We're in Jamaica at the Bamboo Beach Club, and in about 4 feet, well, chest deep, so 4.5, almost 5 feet of water. I found this little rocky outcrop and lots of fish and sea anemones and things in there. So it was really cool to take all the different pictures and see all the different fish as we got done. Uh, started processing the pictures and everything. It is something that people do ask us. Is the water really clear? It's like, well, these pictures really need to be run through our processor so that we can get the clarity of what you're actually seeing and get some of the blue out of it. But the pictures don't even do the water justice there. It is just absolutely incredible. Our next video coming up is going to be, we took our grandkids to on a 4-day cruise to Cozumel, and we were at Mr. Sancho's. Swam out just a little bit out to this rock, and it's probably about 6, maybe 7 feet deep, and just all kinds of fish swimming around out there. You see a group of the little yellowfish, and um, I'm not sure what they're called, but anyway, we had a great time viewing the fish and looking at the different I keep wanting to say wildlife, but the different underwater creatures. So with that being said, I'm Michael. Jill is here in spirit in this video. We'll see you next time. Have fun. Bye.